Quality Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 8. Question 1. What is the purpose of a test strategy? A. To define how testing will be conducted during the project. B. To write detailed test cases for all modules. C. To specify the testing tools to be used. D. To track the progress of test execution. The correct answer is A. To define how testing will be conducted during the project. A test strategy outlines the overall testing approach for the project. Question 2. What is the main focus of load testing? A. Test how the system handles peak traffic and data loads. B. Test if the system's security protocols are effective. C. Test system functionality across multiple devices. D. Test if the system meets business requirements. The correct answer is A. Test how the system handles peak traffic and data loads. Load testing verifies that the system can handle expected user loads. Question 3. What is the main goal of integration testing? A. Test individual components of the software. B. Test if separate modules work together as expected. C. Test system performance under stress. D. Test system behavior under different network conditions. The correct answer is B. Test if separate modules work together as expected. Integration testing focuses on verifying that different system modules work together properly. Question 4. What is the role of test management tools? A. To write and execute test cases automatically. B. To track and manage the entire testing process. C. To monitor the security of the system. D. To analyze system performance during tests. The correct answer is B. To track and manage the entire testing process. Test management tools help organize, track, and report the testing process from start to finish. Question 5. What is regression testing? A. Testing of new features in isolation. B. Testing to ensure old features still work after changes. C. Testing to validate system performance under high load. D. Testing to verify security and privacy policies. The correct answer is B. Testing to ensure old features still work after changes. Regression testing checks that existing functionality is not broken by new code changes. Question 6. Which phase follows the test design phase? A. Test planning. B. Test execution. C. Test reporting. D. Test closure. The correct answer is B. Test execution. After test design, the next step is to execute the test cases. Question 7. What is the purpose of sanity testing? A. To verify the functionality of the system's core features. B. To check if the system is ready for detailed testing. C. To perform stress testing on the system. D. To test the system's performance under expected usage. The correct answer is B. To check if the system is ready for detailed testing. Sanity testing is performed to verify that the system is stable enough for more rigorous testing. Question 8. What is alpha testing? A. Testing performed by external users outside the development team. B. Testing conducted by the development team before release to end users. C. Testing done after the system is live in production. D. Testing that focuses only on system performance. The correct answer is B. Testing conducted by the development team before release to end users. Alpha testing is typically performed by internal teams before the software is released to users. Question 9. Which is a characteristic of black box testing? A. The tester needs knowledge of the internal code. B. The tester evaluates system functionality based on requirements. C. The tester focuses on system performance and load. D. The tester writes detailed test scripts for code coverage. The correct answer is B. The tester evaluates system functionality based on requirements. Black box testing focuses on checking functionality without knowledge of the internal code structure. Question 10. What is test case prioritization? A. Choosing test cases that focus on system performance. B. Executing the most critical test cases first to reduce risk. C. Creating test cases that cover all functional aspects. D. Writing test cases for every possible system scenario. The correct answer is B. Executing the most critical test cases first to reduce risk. Prioritization helps address the most important and high-risk test cases first. Question 11. What is system testing? A. Testing individual components or units of the system. B. Testing the system as a whole to validate functionality. C. Testing the security features of the system. D. Testing the usability and user experience of the system. The correct answer is B. Testing the system as a whole to validate functionality. System testing ensures that the integrated system meets the functional requirements as a whole. Question 12. Which of the following is an example of a defect severity level? A. Critical. B. Unit. C. Regression. D. System. The correct answer is A. Critical. Defect severity levels describe the impact of defects on the system, with critical being the highest level. Question 13. Which testing type evaluates the system's behavior under heavy load? A. Performance testing. B. Functional testing. C. Regression testing. D. Usability testing. The correct answer is A. Performance testing. Performance testing is designed to assess the system's ability to handle heavy loads or traffic. Question 14. What is the objective of usability testing? A. To check the system's compliance with technical specifications. B. To verify how user-friendly and intuitive the system is. C. To assess the system's performance under high load. D. To check the security features of the system. The correct answer is B. To verify how user-friendly and intuitive the system is. Usability testing evaluates the user experience and ease of use of the system. Question 15. What does beta testing involve? A. Testing by internal developers before release. B. Testing by a small group of end users before the system goes live. C. Testing after the system is fully deployed in production. D. Testing the system under extreme performance conditions. The correct answer is B. Testing by a small group of end users before the system goes live. Beta testing allows end users to identify potential issues before the system is publicly released. Question 16. What is test environment setup? A. Configuring hardware and software to run tests. B. Creating test cases to execute. C. Executing test cases on real data. D. Analyzing test results for errors. The correct answer is A. Configuring hardware and software to run tests. The test environment setup ensures the necessary hardware and software are in place for testing. Question 17. What is equivalence partitioning? A. Dividing input data into valid and invalid partitions for testing. B. Breaking down system components into smaller modules for testing. C. Automating the testing process to reduce manual errors. D. Testing system behavior with real-world data inputs. The correct answer is A. Dividing input data into valid and invalid partitions for testing. Equivalence partitioning helps reduce the number of test cases by grouping inputs into valid and invalid classes. Question 18. What is boundary value analysis? A. Focusing on testing values near the boundaries of input ranges. B. Testing for the system's performance under boundary conditions. C. Testing the system's boundaries with maximum load. D. Testing boundary conditions in network connectivity. The correct answer is A. Focusing on testing values near the boundaries of input ranges. Boundary value analysis focuses on testing the boundary values of input ranges to identify defects. Question 19. What is load testing? A. Testing the system's performance under normal conditions. B. Testing the system under increasing load to identify performance bottlenecks. C. Testing the system to verify security compliance. D. Testing the usability of the system. The correct answer is B. Testing the system under increasing load to identify performance bottlenecks. Load testing determines how well the system performs when subjected to increasing user loads. Question 20. What is error guessing? A. Testing by guessing where defects are most likely to be. B. Guessing user inputs to identify potential system issues. C. Testing to identify where system errors might occur based on experience. D. Guessing the performance limits of the system. The correct answer is C. Testing to identify where system errors might occur based on experience. Error guessing involves using past experience to identify areas of the system likely to have defects.